So networking can be scary, and people envision a big room where you walk in and you don't know anybody and you have to walk up to a crowd of people and introduce yourself, and for most people that makes their palms sweat. That's not what they want to do. So my advice and what I do is I make sure that I do things that I really enjoy. So one of the things that I really enjoy is mentoring students, and so I am an executive in residence at Babson. So part of that is my give back, but part of that is networking. So I'm networking with all of these students and understanding what things they're working on. It gives me access to network then with the faculty that's helping with them, right? And then, you know, there are different things that happen within that faculty. There's fundraisers and things that you go, but now you're part of the group. So you attend with a different level. And so I think it's just making yourself be involved and accessible in things that you're comfortable and that you like and where you can present your authentic self, rather than, I mean, I would no more walk into a Chamber of Commerce event right now than fly to the moon. I mean, I just wouldn't have fun. It's not what I like to do. But if I'm there doing something for Babson or doing something for one of the portfolio companies that we work with, or that's great, that's fun. I feel very confident and happy, and I'm happy to be there. And then my natural self comes out, and that's where people then help you and network with you in a much easier way.